Hi guys, today I'm checking out the new ASAHOM 1080 permanent outdoor lights. Smart outdoor lighting that's made to last through any season. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So inside of the box, we've got multi-length light strings and extension cords, a dual outlet control box, a fault detection module. Everything is packed neatly and clearly marked. Already makes installation very easy. It's simply plug and play. All you do is plug in the connectors, connect the waterproof cap, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about what makes these lights stand out. Each light is RGB-CW, which means you get rich colors plus warm and cool white tones, up to 72 LEDs per section, and an impressive 70 lumens per light. These are integrated WLED lights, which give you over 30,000 possible lighting effects with combinations. Yeah, 30,000. You can even control 2 zones at once using the dual outbox, meaning you could run 2 different lighting effects on each side of your house, front and back. ASAHOM also makes installation simple for DIY users. They include T-splitters, end caps, and extension cords, so you can customize the setup exactly how you want it. And it's expandable, up to 800 feet total length. Now, let's talk build quality. They are made with anti-UV materials, so they won't fade or crack over time. The whole system is designed to handle wind, rain, in all seasons. The LEDs, control box, and the power adapter are all rated at IP67 waterproof, meaning they can handle water immersion up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. Not just splash resistant like most others. You also get a 3-year limited warranty, a 50,000 hour lifespan, and built-in nail holes for a secure permanent installation. So I laid all my lights out to make sure that they worked first before I installed them, and it looks like they work. Adapter is very nice. The remote controller is very easy to use. Power off, power on, different modes. So many to choose from. All right, let's install these in the driveway. Installation is pretty straightforward. Just clean the surface, peel the adhesive backing off, and stick the lights where you want them. You can also screw them in for a more permanent setup using the built-in nail holes. And if you need extra reach, just connect one of the multi-length extensions and use the T-splitter to branch off to another section. The dual outlet controller lets you run 2 different lighting zones, perfect for wrapping around the garage or across the roof line. If you have any questions, ASAHOM has a YouTube channel and a knowledge base on their website that walks you through every step. Once everything is installed, just download the ASAHOM app to unlock all the lighting effects. Here's where it gets fun. You can set different lighting colors and patterns for each zone, create your own color palettes, choose from over 100 preset scenes from party mode to Christmas, Halloween, and Independence Day. Even use AI lighting, where you can type a prompt or upload an image and the lights will automatically create a custom color pattern for you. There's also a music mode with 23 different settings, so your lights will pulse along with the beat using your phone's microphone. And if you like scheduling, the built-in calendar and the weekly timer lets you program the lights to turn on automatically every evening or only for special holidays like Christmas or New Year's. You can even control everything hands-free through Alexa or Google Home. Okay, let's check out some of the lighting effects in action. This is the RGB color mode, bright, vivid, and perfect for everyday use. Here's warm white, great for that soft, cozy glow. And cool white, ideal for clean, modern lighting. Switching to WLED mode, you can see just how smooth and customizable these transitions are. You can connect through Wi-Fi. Just long press the B button on the control box for 10 seconds until the light turns green. Then connect to the WLED app network. The password is WLED1234, and once paired, you can control every light individually. Now let's cycle through some holiday scenes. Here's Halloween, here's Christmas, and a fun party mode. The colors are super bright and smooth, easily some of the best I've seen in this price range. Overall, the ASAHOM 1080 permanent outdoor lights are bright, durable, and packed with smart features. They're easy to install, totally waterproof, and built to last for years. Whether you're lighting up your home for the holidays or just want to add smart ambience year-round, these are an awesome choice. You can find them on ASAHOM's official website. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that button if this helped you out.